Hello tech friends! Welcome back to our favorite channel, your go-to place for the hottest and most exciting tech updates. In this video, we're diving into the world of flagship smartphones that are set to shake up the market at the end of 2025. The period from September to December 2025 will be a paradise for gadget lovers, and we're going to break down each of the most anticipated contenders. Apple iPhone 17 series is expected to be released in September 2025. Rumors suggest a new horizontal camera design and enhanced Apple Intelligence features. This will be a huge leap in the smartphone world, with deeper AI integration into the entire iPhone ecosystem, making the user experience much more personal, intuitive, and efficient. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are also expected to launch in September 2025. Predictions suggest both devices will be thinner and lighter, with a smoother new hinge technology. Specifically for the Z Fold 7, the rumor of an integrated S Pen is truly a game-changer, elevating your productivity and creativity to an entirely new level. Google Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro are expected to be released in October 2025. With the new Tensor G5 chipset, we can expect more powerful performance and much more advanced AI capabilities. Their camera system will increasingly rely on computational photography, producing stunning photos even in the most challenging conditions. Xiaomi 16 series is expected to be released first in China at the end of September 2025. It's very likely that the Xiaomi 16 series will be one of the first to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, meaning incredibly fast performance. We can also expect other typical Xiaomi flagship features such as super fast charging, high-quality AMOLED displays, and continuously improved camera systems. From the Vivo camp, we will see the arrival of the Vivo X300 series, expected to be released at the end of September 2025. It is expected to use the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, known for its powerful performance and good power efficiency. Vivo also often presents unique and sophisticated photography technology, so we can expect a lot from the camera capabilities of the X300 series. Not to be missed, the trio from BBK Group, OnePlus, Oppo, and Realme are also almost certainly launching their flagship contenders around October 2025. They will be powered by the most powerful latest generation Snapdragon or Dimensity chipsets. Their flagship releases often coincide with the announcement of new versions of ColorOS, a user interface that is increasingly feature-rich and smooth. And there's another interesting one, although not a main flagship, namely the Google Pixel 9a, expected to be released in October 2025. This Pixel 9a falls into the premium mid-range category. Don't get it wrong, tech friends. Although it's more affordable, the Pixel 9a still brings a lot of Google artificial intelligence technology that is just as sophisticated as their flagship series. This can be a very attractive alternative for those of you who want a pure Android experience with Google's distinctive AI touch without having to dig too deep into your pockets. As an additional note, some other flagship series such as the Asus ROG Phone 9 for gaming and the Sony Xperia 1.7 for superior multimedia capabilities are also often released around autumn. However, the exact dates are usually announced closer to the release time of each brand. In conclusion, tech friends, if you are waiting for a flagship smartphone with the most advanced technology, the period from September to December 2025 will be a very, very exciting time. The fierce competition between brands will result in extraordinary innovations, and we as consumers will benefit. Prepare yourself to welcome a new era of smarter, faster, and more sophisticated smartphones. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Hopefully this information helps you in anticipating and choosing your dream smartphone at the end of 2025. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Sobat IT channel so you don't miss other latest tech updates. See you in the next video and stay a smart tech friend.